Hospital horticulturalists have been busy growing herbs and vegetables for the kitchen at the Royal Children's, feeding hundreds of patients a day.
The program is also helping some of our sickest children make a faster recovery.
Hospital food often gets a bad rap, but not here.
All the way around, loop it around.
Little patients have had a hand in planting, growing and picking herbs and vegetables in the hospital garden.
That's a very red one, wasn't it?
The chefs then use the fresh produce in the kitchen. 500 meals served fresh every day. The garden's so successful, they've stopped ordering some ingredients like cherry tomatoes and basil.
And the chefs actually know that when they need that ingredient, they just come upstairs, harvest some of the fresh produce and bring it down. And that's been amazing.
8-year-old Elena is spending time in the garden as part of her recovery. She developed a rare neurological condition earlier this year. It began with tingling in her arm. 24 hours later, she was paralysed.
As parents, seeing your little kid like that, it was just so hard.
Elena was flown to the Royal Children's where she's having intense treatment and physiotherapy.
Every day she gets stronger and every day she's achieving new goals.
Not only does the garden provide a break from the hospital ward, but there are a range of evidence-backed benefits for the patients.
Shorter stays in hospital, as well as lowering stress levels, improving sleep, lowering levels of anxiety.
The Therapeutic Garden program is funded through donations from the Good Friday Appeal.
We didn't realise the facilities and what they were able to do here at the hospital until we're in the position to need it.
Melina Saris, 7 News.